everybody, this is Stephanie from your Custom Joy-Cons. Thank you for being here today. We're doing another unboxing video. Pretty excited about this. You can follow us on Instagram and TikTok and YouTube for this and more content. And if you see anything you like in any of the videos that we do or any of the content we have, you can always visit our store at ycjoycons.com. Just your own products that we own. Joy-Cons, Steam Decks. You can even purchase parts to make your own, or you can visit us on Etsy. We prefer if you go to our website though, please. Again, the website is ycjoycons.com. Well, today we're going to be unboxing the Steam Deck OLED. And I know a couple people have said that you can't transfer the parts, you can't customize it. Well, we were able to do it. It takes a little bit of finagling, but we were able to fit everything. You can't customize your buttons, unfortunately, but you can still customize the shell. So today we're opening up the 1 terabyte OLED. Pretty excited about that. All right, so we got some plasticky plastic, which feels very plasticky. Smooth. Packaging again is very nice, very tight. Just like the last Steam Deck. Power adapter. I have not gotten to test the Steam Deck yet. Mike has been doing all the testing for that. I'm kind of sad about it, but I don't have a Steam account. The only game that I recall ever playing actively on my brain for Steam has been Sims, but I'm sure I have played other games. I'm just not recalling right now. Look, this is the power adapter. It seems pretty solid. Very well made. DC adapter doesn't have any information. It's all in there. It's too small for me to read, unfortunately for y'all. So just regular old power adapter. Nothing fancy. Just gotta plug it in. If any of y'all have already gotten a Steam Deck from us, feel free to comment and let us know what you think of your Steam Deck. Are you happy with it? Playing games? What games are you playing? If you haven't ordered one from us and you're interested in that, please feel free to join us on our website, ycjoycons.com, or check us out on Etsy. Your Custom Joy-Cons. It's our Etsy page. Packing feels pretty secure, pretty tight. There's pretty good plastic. Didn't rip real easy when I opened it up. And reseal just fine, which is important for us because we just repack them. When we send them out, we just repack them in these boxes and send them to y'all. Trying not to ruin any of the packaging here so we can resend it out just the way that it is. A sturdy handle. It's slightly different than the regular Steam Deck case. Tab off. Okay. It's got new little these here were not on the Steam Deck either case. These are feel a little sturdier than the other zippers. Not to say that the other one wasn't sturdier, but these got a real nice grip to them and they don't feel really strange. This feels sturdy. Oh, how neat. It comes with its own little mesh bag to carry your power adapter in. I'm assuming maybe games, any other things that you might need with you. I'm assuming there's no external games for the Steam Deck, so looks like your power adapter fits in there just fine. Be wrapped up a little bit better, but I'm not trying to mess with that. Close. Tag on it. It's pretty sturdy. Looks well made. Very soft and squishy. packaging is really well done. And I found that behind the little strap here. All right. Move all that out of the way so we can go ahead and open this up. Oh, this is also different from the regular Steam Deck. They have a little Velcro strap for added security for your expensive device. Really good sturdy zipper, really well made. It's got little divots in here for your controllers so they don't get jostled around. It's a really soft styrofoam. It's got a little breathability at the top. All right. Oh, this console's a lot more lightweight than the regular Steam Deck. One thing that I didn't like when I opened up the regular Steam Deck as opposed to the OLED was I noticed the immediate weight of it. Kind of small hands. And so it didn't fit very comfortably in my hands. The regular Steam Deck, this OLED is really nice. It's very lightweight. It's really clean. The lines and edges are really clean. It's really ergonomic in my hands. It feels natural sitting in them. I've played a lot of handhelds, you know, and sometimes they just feel really awkward in your hand. This sits really nice. The grips are really nice. The buttons all push really nicely. Yeah, this is really nice. Really nice Steam Deck. So what else? What do we got in here? What's this? Oh, it's a polishing cloth. That's what it is. I'm not going to open it because I want that to leave that for the person who is going to have it customized. As you can see here, the buttons move around pretty nicely. But I didn't want to rip it because I didn't want to mess it up. This part comes out. Oh, the whole thing comes out, so it's a smaller case. Maybe you can take this out and customize it as well. I don't know why. I guess you maybe just want this just to sit out so the deck doesn't get ruined or anything. Just sitting out on your table. That's kind of cool. This comes apart. Goes right back together, fits right back in. Velcro part comes open. Push this back up. It's seamless. All right, we're booting it up. Welcome back. My name is Stephanie. I'm here for your custom Joy-Cons. Thanks for being here. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. You can follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube for this and more content. You can also visit our store at our website, ycjoycons.com, or you can visit us on Etsy for any purchases you're interested in making. We customize PS5 controllers, Joy-Cons for the Switch, and Steam Decks. So let me break away really quick and I'll log into our Wi-Fi and on Steam, and I'll be right back. One of the first things you notice when you boot up the system is that it's a whole lot quieter than the original Steam Deck. The fan isn't quite as loud at all. Like, it's virtually silent in comparison to the original Steam Deck. Steam button, quick access button for notifications, friends list, quick setting, and more. There's a a power button up here. There's a volume buttons up here on the left. Here and here. Micro SD. Where you can expand your dock storage capacity by inserting and formatting a micro SD card. Push card into it to eject. All right. Got to boot it up. And compare it to the other Steam Deck, which is heavier. Already mentioned that. I like the ergonomic feel of the joysticks more. These have a little, if you can see, there's a little indentation in each one. Your thumbs rest nicely in the indentions. This one, the indentation is a little bit there, a little bit, but not even half. It's a whole lot smoother moving. Buttons feel the same. All the buttons are kind of in the same spot. Power. Volume control buttons. See, here's the regular Steam Deck. They're here and here. There's a notification friendless button. There's a Steam button. It's all in the same spot. So those are all the same. Those are virtually the same. Power button, volume button, notification button, Steam button. Like I said, the joysticks are actually a lot smoother. So there's that. The buttons and the D-pad seem to be the same though. Difference between that. L and R buttons are the same. The back is pretty much everything else is the same, it seems like, except for the regular Steam Deck is heavier. And the joysticks are really different. The power button is orange on the OLED. See here, power button is orange right here. And then on the regular Steam Deck, black. The charging light is colored. This is green, telling you that it's charging. It's fully charging. Here, it's green. And the regular Steam Deck, it's white. Bezel is a whole lot smaller. It's like a 1/4 inch to 1/8 of an inch at the bottom and a 1/4 inch on the sides. As far as just my initial reaction, I like the OLED better. It's lighter, it's got a bigger screen. I like that it's got the colored. I like this color here. This is for me to find the on and off button. I can't tell if this is going to change color when it's fully charged or not. That would be cool if it did. Thank you all for watching. Really appreciate you. My name is Stephanie. My partner's name is Mike. And we are the team for your custom Joy-Cons. You can find us on Etsy. The name of our store is Your Custom Joy-Cons. Or you can go to our website, ycjoycons.com. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube for additional content. Thank you very much for being here and giving us your attention. Game on. Have a great day.